With the 24th example, and what is said here, figure shows the position time graph of a body of mass 0.04 kg. Suggest a suitable physical context for this motion. Okay, so let's see. So here, as you can see, the slope of the graph indicates velocity, while as you see in all these cases, that is from interval 0 to 2, 4 to 6, 8 to 10 and 12 to 14, the velocity of the object is positive. Okay, in all these situations the slope is positive, 0 to 2, 4 to 6, 8 to 10, 12 to 14. The slope of the graph is positive, that is velocity is positive, and the value of velocity is tan theta, that is 2 upon 2, that comes out to be 1 meter per second. Okay, and in the interval 2 to 4 second, 6 to 8 second, 10 to 12 second, 14 to 16 second, the slope of the graph is negative, and that is velocity is negative, so velocity is different, and velocity, the magnitude will be slope of this graph. So if you find the slope of this graph, so that again 2 upon 2, that is 1, so the velocity vector will be minus 1 meter per second. Now as you can see from this particular graph, for 2 second velocity is positive 1 meter per second, then negative 1 meter for further 2 second, then again positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. It means it is just like it is this can be compared with a situation like a ball is on a smooth surface. Suppose a body is on a smooth surface and it is between two walls, and every time it is making elastic collisions with the wall, that is during collision there is no loss of energy. So the body is going with velocity 1 meter per second in the rightward direction, it strikes the wall and then again it rebounds, the velocity becomes minus 1 meter per second, then it strikes here, then again 1 meter per second and go on. So that is we can compare this with this kind of physical situation. Okay, so that is the answer to the first part of this question. What is the time between successive impulse received by the body? So as you can see, after every 2 seconds the velocity of the body is changing. So the answer to the second part of the question is after every 2 second interval, the moment the impulse received, the body is receiving impulse. Third, what is the magnitude of each impulse? So as you can see, these are the points where impulse is being received by the body. Okay, this is point at this moment, at this moment, at this moment, that is after interval of 2 to 2 second body is receiving impulse, also at these points. Okay, so the points which I have made circle, at this point, at this point, this, at these points you can say just before 2 second velocity is different, just after 2 second velocity is having different velocity, just before 4 second, after 4 second, before 6 second, after 6 second, before 8 second, and so on, and impulse received every time is fixed. So here I can say these are the points where impulse is received by the body after an interval of 2 to 2 seconds. Okay, so take any one of the part, because we need to calculate magnitude of impulse, and impulse is nothing but mass into final velocity minus initial velocity. So the mass of body is 0.04 kg. Okay, one way the velocity is having final velocity as 2 meter per second, other way it is having velocity in the opposite direction. That's so 0.04 into 4, so that comes out to be 0.16 kg meter per second, and that's the impulse. Thank you. Same question 5.19 is also the same type of question. Thank you.